Hey, what's going on? Amber here, and I'm going to share with you 7 kitchen cleaning supplies that you should have on deck. We're going to talk about these supplies as you're cleaning your bathroom from top to bottom. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss this. So we're going to start now. We're talking about from starting from top to bottom. You want to make sure that you get your Swiffer 360 duster. So I love this because you can use both sides of the Swiffer and it gets rid of maximum of dust and it holds it. That's the thing about the Swiffer dusters that I love. You want to make sure if you're a professional cleaner, you'll always start using your PPE. So that is your nitrile gloves. I recommend nitrile gloves because they're tougher, they last longer, and they're not latex for some people who may be allergic. If you're going into someone's home, different things like that. So I would recommend nitrile gloves, and I can leave more information in the description below as well. So nitrile gloves, make sure that you're masked up, and then you have a trash bag. So the first product that I'm going to talk about is Mrs. Meyers. I love it for its aromatic smells. And if you love lavender, this is going to be your best friend. I'm showing you the concentrate because with the concentrate, especially a professional house cleaner, it's going to last you for a long time. So note it for you professional house cleaners. Make sure you purchase concentrates versus the bottle because you'll save a lot of money. And for you homeowners, this will last you for almost forever, depending on how often you clean or what your cleaning daily patterns or chores may be. So the thing I like about Mrs. Meyer, not for its aromatic reasoning, but you can use this perfectly for stainless steel or other surfaces outside of natural wood or stone, and I'll explain a product that will work well for that. This concentrate, I do recommend that you get a jug, a gallon jug, and just put 1/4 cup in that jug to continue to get the most use out of it. We're going to go on and talk about Otoban. Now, a lot of these products I'm sharing with you are eco-friendly, so if you care about the environment, go ahead and like this video. So with Otoban, the thing I love about this is you can use it for multiple things. And to me, I feel like this company is either underrated or not heard of, and more people need to hear about it. So go ahead and share this with your friends. So you can use this as a deodorizer. You can use it for your laundry freshener. I mean, the whole nine. I like using this for cabinets, especially for the handles and wiping down the cabinets. It really depends on the material. I might switch and just use Mrs. Meyer for the cabinet or just water and a microfiber cloth and to get the job done. Now, speaking of microfiber cloth, for the kitchens, I use 2 microfiber cloths, and you're probably wondering why it's green. It's because in my company, we use a color-coded system. Green is what we use in the kitchens. And if you want to learn about how to maintain and clean your microfiber cloths, I'm going to leave this link up here or in the description below. And so as you continue to clean out through your home, another product that I would like to tell you about is Krud Kuttr. It's an awesome degreaser, and it's also great for cleaning those icky bathrooms. You'd be surprised how many multiple uses you can get with Krud Kuttr. It's amazing. It's a game changer. It's fragrance free and bleach free. If you have a lot of stainless steel, I say use Miss Meyers and a glass cleaning cloth. Now, if you have I use the glass cleaning cloth for all the glass surfaces, stainless steel surfaces. So you want to make sure you got you a nice glass cleaning cloth. And if you're cleaning your microwave, you want to make sure that you wet this bad boy and use the sponge to get in the inside of all the residue of your microwave. Now, here's a video here showing you how to clean the interior of your microwave. It's phenomenal and you don't want to miss it. And you're probably wondering, why do you have Dawn Platinum? Well, there's multiple things that I can say about Dawn Platinum. Remember when I said I don't use Mrs. Meyers or Odoban for different surfaces? If you're not sure what countertops or different materials that you have in your kitchen, I always will say, go to Dawn Platinum. Any Dawn blue dish soap is going to be your best friend. It's going to go a long way, and it's going to help you to make sure that you're cleaning your home efficiently. And I say your home because you can use it in your bathroom. You can use it in a lot of different surfaces. Soap and water is going to be your best friend, my friend. So I love this because not only does it make your stainless steel shine, it makes your marble, your granite, those type of stone materials shine. Now, if you have wooden surfaces, use your microfiber cloth and just water and wipe it down. Even if I said that before, I just want to really hone on the importance of using the right products for the right materials in your kitchen and any surface in your home. And so what you're going to want to do is, when you are all said and done, your surfaces are cleaned in the kitchen, and now you're ready to clean the floor. You want to make sure you use a damp mop pad, and you just use, depending on the surface of your floor or your towel or wood, you want to make sure you use a pH neutral cleaner. And so yes, I use Zep pH neutral. Now Otoban has a pH neutral cleaner, and the thing I like about both of these products, or both of these companies and products, is that they're eco-friendly. They come in concentrates for you professional house cleaners or people who just love cleaning their home and want to save money. But both products and companies are really good. Especially, like I said, with Zep pH neutral cleaner. Zep has a lot of other things that may have some chemicals in it. So make sure you read your products, read the instructions, and in an emergency, if you get things in your eye, that you know a little bit about the safety data sheet and how to protect and take care of yourself, so that you're not using products that can harm you. So I went over 7 kitchen cleaning supplies that you should have on deck. Whether you're cleaning your home or you're cleaning professionally, I'm going to help you save time and money and making sure that you use products that are safe for the environment. So in the meantime, check out this next video where I'm going to break down how to clean your kitchen like a pro. Cleaning 101, baby. Go ahead and check it out. And in the meantime, stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.